In today's video, we will meet Jessica and her lovely cat. Jessica will share all the things she loves about her furry friend. Together, we will learn new words and enjoy some cute moments. Let's watch and learn with Jessica and her cat.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. Today, I'm excited to share with you all the things I love about my adorable cat. Every morning starts the same way. My cat jumps on my bed to wake me up. It's his way of saying good morning. After breakfast, it's playtime. We have a lot of fun with his colorful string toy. He can't get enough of it. Mealtime is a big deal for him. He always comes running when he hears me filling his bowl. He's a curious cat. Last week, he managed to open a drawer and found my socks. In the afternoon, we love our cuddle time. He jumps on my lap and we relax together. His purring is my favorite sound. It's so soothing, especially when we're chilling on the couch. We often go to the garden. He loves sniffing around and chasing leaves. He takes naps in the funniest places. Yesterday, I found him sleeping in a laundry basket. At night, he always sleeps by my side. It's comforting to end the day with him there. These are the things that make my cat so special to me. He's not just a pet, he's part of my family. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my wonderful cat. See you next time. Goodbye.
Tell us in the comments 3 things you love about your cat or any other pet. Here are 3 examples from the video. 1. I love how my cat purrs when he's happy. 2. I love it when my cat plays with his colorful string toy. 3. I love watching my cat chase leaves in the garden. Check the comments section for a list of useful pet vocabulary. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.